Hey, what's up? Hello, how are you? Okay, now let's talk about 2005 D penny. Let's find out the value of 2005 D penny in top condition. Yeah, in top condition 2005 D penny. Okay, here we go. The record price for a 2005 D penny is substantially higher. One amazing example graded by Professional Coin Grading Service as MS68RD fetched an astounding $1,403 in a 2012 auction. $1,403 or 2005 D penny graded MS68RD. Wow. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Okay, bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.